Welcome friends. In this video we will learn about how to create user in Oracle database, how to grant privileges to that user, and how to create connection for a user. Means first we will create a user, then we will grant privileges to that user, and after that we will create a connection for that user. So let's see how we can do this. For this I will bring you to Oracle user interface, test it live with Oracle queries. So welcome viewers, how to create a user in Oracle database. For this we will have a query, create user and the name of user, suppose Adam1, and this is a keyword create, this is user, and this is another keyword user, and this is the name of user. In our example we are creating a user which has the name Adam1, and next keyword is identified its spelling is not correct. Identified by now we will give the password. We will set the password for Adam1 user, and we will set the password as Adam1. Now we terminate query, and now we will run this query. Let's see what it returns us. It's showing that a user Adam1 is created. This is the current message. Okay, now we have created a user, name is Adam1, and we will identify it by this. Identified means whenever we will try to log in with this user, we have to enter this password. Only after correctly entering this password we will be recognized by the database. So let's see. Now we will grant privileges to this Adam1 user like this. Grant DBA to Adam1. This is the query. Let's try to execute this. Yeah, it's returning a message that grant succeeded. Means as we have created this Adam1 user and we have granted privileges to this user by this grant DBA to Adam1 query. Okay, now let's we try to create a connection for this user Adam1. For this we will create a connection here. For this we will go to this connection explorer and we will click on this plus sign and here we can see here this pop-up window, new select database connection. Either if you want to go with the existing connections, then you can select from here. Otherwise, if we want to create some new connection for this, we will go through this. So we will give the name to that connection. Suppose we want to give name to that connection as Adam, ADAM, and database type Oracle, and username. And we have, as we have created Adam1 user, then we will give name to that user as Adam1 as we have created, and the same password as we have set for this user, ADAM. Now we will rest keep all these things as by default, no changes here. Basic connection type basic, and host name is localhost, port is 1521, SID XE. Okay, we want to create with service name. So we want to the service name XEPTP1. This is for Express Edition. So let's try to test it. Let's see what it says. Yeah, the status is success. So we can create this new connection with name Adam. So let's try to connect with this. Now you can see here that we have a new connection here, and in the Explorer we can see here Adam. This is the new connection, and inside of this, is there any tables? As we have created newly, there is no table inside of this. So like this we can create a user and grant privileges to this user, as we have given here privileges of Adam, DBA Adam1 as grant of DBA to that user, and then we created a connection here for that Adam1 user. We created a new connection with Adam1, and we can see here. Now we can use this connection. We can check whether so user. So let's try to execute this query. What it so? Yes, it's returning a message that user is Adam1, as we have created Adam1 user, and this is the connection with name Adam, and in this query builder we have run this query show user. So in under this connection we checked which user is connected here. So it is showing that user is Adam1, as just we have created a few time ago, and we connected with this Adam connection, and it is showing that. So like this we can create a user and grant privileges to that user, and we can create a new connection for a user. also. So I hope that this video is useful for you. If you found this video is useful for you, kindly like and share this video. Thanks for watching.